Hello, English learners, and welcome back to Easy English Every Day. I am Mr. Speak.
I am Anna. Today, we're tackling a really important topic, how to talk about your health and visit the doctor in English. This is crucial for real-life situations.
Whether you're a beginner or already know a little, we'll give you the words and phrases you need to feel confident.
Let's get started. Good morning, Dr. Evans' office. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment, please.
Certainly. Are you a new patient or have you visited us before?
I'm a new patient.
Okay. What seems to be the problem today?
I've been feeling quite unwell for a few days. I have a sore throat and a headache.
I see. We have an opening tomorrow at 10 a.m. or Wednesday at 2 p.m. Which works best for you?
Tomorrow at 10 a.m., please.
Great. Can I get your full name and date of birth?
My name is Daniel Smith, and my date of birth is January 15th, 1985.
Thank you, Mr. Daniel. We look forward to seeing you then.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Did you catch those key phrases? I'd like to make an appointment. Are you a new patient? What seems to be the problem?
And remember, I've been feeling unwell is a polite way to say you're sick. You can also specify symptoms like sore throat and headache.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. Please have a seat. What brings you in today?
Good morning, doctor. I haven't been feeling well for about 3 days. I have a bad cough and a high fever.
I see. Can you tell me more about the cough? Is it dry or wet?
It's mostly dry, but sometimes I cough up a little phlegm. It's worse at night.
Okay. And what about the fever? How high does it get?
It usually reaches around 39 degrees Celsius. I've been taking paracetamol, but it only helps for a few hours.
Any other symptoms, like body aches, chills, or difficulty breathing?
Yes, I have some body aches, and I feel very tired. No trouble breathing, thankfully.
All right, let's take a look. I'll check your throat and listen to your chest.
This part is so important. We learn to say, "What brings you in today?" instead of just, "What's wrong?"
And look at how Daniel described his cough. Mostly dry, but sometimes I coughed up a little phlegm. Being specific helps the doctor understand.
We also mentioned paracetamol, which is a common pain reliever. What other medications do you know?
Let's review some essential words and phrases you heard and some new ones. Medical professionals, doctor, nurse, receptionist, specialist. Symptoms, common, cold, flu, fever, cough, sore throat, headache, stomach ache, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. More specific, rash, dizziness, swelling, shortness of breath, chest pain. Actions or phrases, I feel unwell or sick. I have a pain in my knee, back, chest. It hurts when I breathe, move my arm. How long have you had these symptoms? Is it acute, sudden, or chronic, long-term? Take this medication. Rest and drink plenty of fluids. Follow-up appointment.
Practicing these will make you much more confident.
Beyond the words, here are some tips to make your doctor's visit smoother. Be specific. Don't be shy about describing your symptoms. The more detail, the better. Don't apologize for your English. Doctors understand your learning. Focus on communicating clearly. Ask for clarification. If you don't understand something, say, "Could you please explain that again?" Or, "Could you speak a little slower?" Write it down. It's okay to take notes during your appointment or ask if you can record a summary. Always ask first. Bring a friend. If you're very nervous or if it's a serious issue, bring someone who can help translate or listen.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Even if it feels a little awkward at first, keep trying.
All right, your turn. Imagine you have a stomachache and nausea. How would you describe it to the doctor?
Pause the video and try to say it out loud. You can use the phrases we learned today.
And if you found this helpful, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Easy English every day, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next lesson.
Leave a comment below with another health topic you'd like us to cover, or share your practice sentences.
Thanks for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next lesson.